Hello everyone, welcome back to SM Tech Creation YouTube channel. Today in this video, we are going to learn about basic thing of Cisco packet tracer. In this video, we are going to learn about basically what is the Cisco and what is Cisco packet tracer and how to install Cisco packet tracer software and features of Cisco packet tracer software. First, let's see what is Cisco. Cisco is a network technology company based on United States. Mainly they are developing and manufacturing Cisco switches, routers and access points. Now let's see what is Cisco Packet Tracer. Packet Tracer is a virtual simulation tool designed by Cisco Systems. The software allows users to simulate the configurations of Cisco routers and switches using a simulated command line interface. Now first let's see how to download Cisco Packet Tracer software. First open any web browser, then type Cisco Packet Tracer download, then click on this one. This link I will put on my description. Click on that. Free download button here, click on that, then click on start download. Now you can see my Packet Tracer software downloading. After complete the download, click on the setup, then click on I accept the agreement. Click on next. Then click on create a desktop shortcut. Then click on next. Then click on install. Then click on finish. Now you can see my Cisco Packet Tracer software installed. Then open software. Then click on Yes Login. It will take few minutes. Then click on Confirm Yes. This is the Cisco Packet Tracer simulator. Now I am going to teach about basic things of this Cisco Packet Tracer. First, in the bottom we can see lot of Cisco devices. First you can see all the Cisco routers with model numbers. If you want to add some devices to your network, simply drag and drop the device. If you want to delete some device, just click on this one. Then click on devices that you want to delete. You can see all the Cisco routers. You can see all the Cisco switches. You can see hubs, wireless device. You can see firewall. Now I will click on end devices. You can see a lot of end devices, PCs, laptops, servers, printers, IP phones, like that. Now I am click on connections. We are mainly using copper straight through cable and copper crossover cable. If you want to add some nodes, you can easily click on this one. Then click anywhere you want to add node. Then type what you want. You can adjust your node easily. For example, I'm going to add some devices and connections. First, I'm click on wireless device, and I'm select a router. Then I'm click on switch. Then randomly I'm choosing this one, and I'm select another switch. As my end devices, I'm choosing two PCs. If you close your cursor to router, you can see its ports. Now I'm going to connect these devices each other. If you click on this connection cable, it's automatically choose the connection type. You can see it's a copper straight through cable. PC fast Ethernet port is up. And if you want to rename your PC name, just click on the PC name. Then you can rename your PC names. These are the basic things of Cisco packet tracer. I hope this video is very useful. You guys like, comment your ideas below in the comment box and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon below. See you next video. Thank you.